How to transfer money on Royal Bank of Canada or RBC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can transfer money on Royal Bank of Canada. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to begin with, first thing first, log in into your online bank account of RBC. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see multiple tabs. So from the list, you need to tap on Move Money tab located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Under it, you'll be able to see multiple options. From the list, you need to click on Send and Interact e-Transfer. Next page, you need to select from which account you want to transfer, such as you want to transfer it from your checking, savings, or any of these options. So select the account from which you want to transfer the amount. After you're done selecting the account, next you need to select the amount that you wish to transfer to this particular recipient. After you're done entering the amount, click on the Done button located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to select the recipient details. So click on the icon and now select the contact from the suggested list. And also you'll need to verify your identity. For that, some sort of security question will be asked, which you need to answer them correctly. After you've done that, you can also add a note or a message to it. If you don't want to do it, simply leave it blank or skip this part. After you've completed this procedure, click on the Continue button located right at the bottom. Next page, you need to review all of the information that you have provided. If you're sure about the information, click on Send Now button. In order to complete the procedure, click on Finish tab located right at the bottom. And here you go, that the transaction has been completed. In this way, you can send money on RBC or Royal Bank of Canada. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.